Alright then guys, how you going on? In this video I'll be showing you how to add tags to your YouTube videos to get them noticed more. If you stick around I'll show you how to go about it. Alright then guys, see you in a bit. Right guys, what you need to do is you need to go over to TubeBuddy.com. TubeBuddy will help you with your tags and they will also give you other freebies as well. But I have the paid version of TubeBuddy. There is a free version of TubeBuddy, but they won't give you as much free stuff as you would with the paid version. I think it's about $4.99, something like that. I can't remember exactly how much. But when you do go onto the site, it will tell you everything what you need to know. Right. With TubeBuddy and the tags, what you need to do is obviously you need to sign into TubeBuddy and it'll tell you which YouTube channel you want to help with your tags. Or obviously your YouTube channel, you put your username in, your password in, then you allow access and it will integrate with your YouTube channel. Then what you need to do is you need to go into your editing bit when your video has processed, and then you will want to insert your tags which will help people find your video. So argument's sake, you want to bake a cake, you shall put in your tags how to bake a cake, and if somebody types that particular sentence in, your video will pop up there, and I'll show you what I mean in just a little while. Now before we get to your tags, this is TubeBuddy. This is the home page. And as you can see, you get some free gifts, but that is with the paid version, as you can see at the top. So yeah, that is what you get all sorts with it, and it is quite nifty. Obviously channel management and video optimization on the go, that was for your mobile. You get some music tracks, you get some tuber tools, which is like free graphics for your YouTube channel, everything you need to make your video look quite professional. So that is TubeBuddy. Now what you need to do is you need to go into your video editing part when your video is uploaded to get your tags on. And as you can see, this is one that I uploaded the other day, and I put tags in already using TubeBuddy, which is there. And TubeBuddy with the paid version, you get quite a lot of extra tags in there, so it saves you typing tags out, and it saves a lot of time, and you just click on the ones that you think is best for you. And as you can see, there is tons and tons and tons of tags that you can possibly use. Like I said, you just find which ones you like, click the plus sign, and it'll insert it into this box here. And also with TubeBuddy as well, it will be create a thumbnail, which is quite useful if you haven't got Adobe software or anything like that. I did this little thumbnail with TubeBuddy, yeah. So all you do is create a thumbnail. There you can have a still frame from the video, which is basically what it is. You can use a frame out of your video, you just click on it and it'll come up. A solid color, basically it's that. You can choose all your different colors from there. If you want a blue one, you can go blue like that, and that'll change to blue. Or if you want a pink one, you can go pink there, and that'll just change to pink. And then you go continue, and then what you need to do is put your text in. I'll just put something hello, something nice and simple like that. But obviously you probably put your title in. As you can see, mine's flying at speed with a Phantom 4K, but I've already sorted that out. I've already done my thumbnail. I'm just doing this as a little example of what it can do. You put that in there and you click on it if you want to make it big, and go like that, and just stretch it out a little bit and a little bit more. I like to do them nice and big. You can even highlight it white, or you can highlight it black, depending on how you feel. You can also add images. This is with a paid version, by the way. Here's some of my images I've used before, but you can download whichever images you want. can also add shapes, images, you've got templates as well. All sorts of images there. There's got soccer ones and little men, got a side sports bit. Yeah, so that's that is that one for there. Then you click continue and then save, and it'll add it on for you. So that is quite a cool way if you want to get some decent thumbnails. This is all with TubeBuddy. I fully recommend to get TubeBuddy. It will make your streams a lot more professional, and all you're lacking is imagination with your thumbnails, and brighter and they are, the better you're going to get it noticed. So yeah, that is how you do your tags and your thumbnails. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you would like to leave a comment, that would be awesome, and don't forget to share it on your social media. And yeah, I shall see you in the next one. I do apologise a bit about the little putty cat in the back. She does like to come and say hello. She's a little YouTube darling. So yeah, I'll see you later guys, and have a good one. Bye.